Hello students. Today we'll be doing exercise number 6, that is representation of climate data. Okay, we'll be doing temperature and rainfall. Okay, we'll try to represent temperature and rainfall using some methods. The methods we'll be using are simple line graph and the other one is bar graph. Okay, so before starting we'll have to have an objective. Our objective is to represent climatic data with the help of simple line graph from the given data. Okay, the data given here is, on one side we have months and the other side we have temperature in degree Celsius. Okay, January, February, March, April, so on till December. Okay, 12 months are given. In the short form we have J, F, M, A. J for January, F for February. Okay, and the temperatures are given here. Okay, so we'll try to plot this in a simple line graph. Okay, so here I have little bit in advance prepared. Okay, while making your graph, okay, it's very important, okay, to keep some very basic things in your mind. For example, when you're preparing a graph, always keep the heading, what kind of graph you are making. Okay, what's the method you are using. Okay, for example, we'll be using here simple line graph. Okay, so I'm giving the heading here. Okay, and while preparing the graph, we'll be having two axes. Okay, the one is x-axis and the other one is y-axis. When you observe it, you'll get to know the horizontal line. Okay, here horizontal from 0 is given here. Okay, and I have given some months, January, February, March till December. Okay, this horizontal line is your x-axis and the other one, your y-axis, is your vertical line. Okay, for example, here we have given temperature in degree Celsius. Okay, the other important thing is scale. Okay, for example, while making your graph, it's very important. Okay, when you complete your graph, you should always provide the scale. Okay, what kind of, like, the scales. Okay, when you provide the scale, okay, the onlookers, okay, the one who studies the graph understands, okay, very easily what thing is going on in the graph. For example, in the scale, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 month. Okay, I have taken, okay, x-axis, this is x-axis, every box, okay, every grid, okay, it is equal to 1 centimeter. Every grid is equal to 1 centimeter. For example, from 0 to January, okay, it is like 1 centimeter. From January to February, it is 1 centimeter. So I have written x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 month. This is the scale I have taken. You can change it also. Okay, if you take like 2 centimeter, you have to write x-axis 2 centimeters equal to 1 month. You have to write, but I have taken 1 centimeter, so that I have written x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 month. So likewise, the y-axis I have taken 1 centimeter equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, since, okay, we have to look at our data. Okay, we have to look at our data, our maximum value. Okay, if you look at the temperature, okay, months we have, temperature we have. If you look at the maximum, the minimum value, January has the minimum value, that is 13.8 degrees Celsius, and the maximum is at the month of June, that is 33.6 degree Celsius. Okay, so while making my graph, I have to keep that in mind, what is my maximum value and what is my minimum value. Okay, so if I keep that in mind, so what happens is that my graph will be neither be too big or neither be too small. Okay, so when you make a graph, it should be perfect and it should fit your practical copy very properly. Okay, so therefore I have taken 5 degrees Celsius for every 1 centimeter in y-axis. Okay, for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, because my maximum value is 33. Okay, so like within this my graph will be plotted. Okay, all the data will be plotted here. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so in a given data, in the month of January, we have the temperature in degrees Celsius, we have 13.8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I have taken, okay, this is the month of January. Okay, so okay, you should keep in mind, in the horizontal axis we have months. Okay, the months are here, and the vertical axis, it is the temperature in degree Celsius. Okay, so in the month of January I have 13.8 degrees Celsius. So I have to plot, I have to go horizontal, vertically above. Okay, where is 13? 13 is between 15 and 10. So okay, in between I have plotted here. Okay, 13.8 degree Celsius. And for the month of February I have 16 0.6 degrees Celsius. Where is 16? I go vertically above here and I find just above 15 I have 16, so I plotted it here. I plot and make a dot here. Okay, and next I go to the month of March. Okay, in the month of March I have 21.6 degrees Celsius. Okay, so where is 21? It is just above 20. Okay, so in the month of March I have 21.6 degrees Celsius. I plot the dot here. Okay, and in the month of April I have 28.8 degrees Celsius. So 28 is between 25 and 30, so I plot it here. Okay, dot. Okay, and in the month of May I have 33.2 degrees Celsius. 33.2 will be between 30 and 35, so it will be here. In the month of June I have 33.6. It will be just above that one. It's almost in the same line. Okay, and in the July I have 30.9 degrees Celsius. So 30.9 degrees Celsius will be just above 30, a little bit above 30. And in the month of August I have 28.8 degree Celsius. The 28.8 degree will be 29.8 degree will be just below 30, so I'll plot it here. In the month of September I have 29.2. It is almost same, so I'll plot it here. In the month of October I have 25.7 degrees Celsius. 25.7. Okay, 25 will be just above, little bit above. Okay, in the month of November I have 19.7 degrees Celsius. It will be in the almost same as 20. Okay, and in the December I have 15.2 degrees. So 15 is here. Okay, I'll end it here. So in simple line graph, what we do is with pre-hand we join the dots. Okay, so I'll be joining the dots from here. With pre-hand you have to use, you don't have to use any scale. Okay, till here. So between 0 and January